I'm sure you don't want to end up like this dude, who clicked Nitro scam links and got hacked. But, don't worry, I will show you 6 scams and its solutions. Before that, join my Discord server for free decors and layouts. It's a friendly community. First scam is this stupid Nitro generator. Trust me, it doesn't work, it's so stupid mad. There's a bot that creates fake links, and if you click those links, you're screwed. So please don't use it. Second scam. It's the fake Nitro discount. Absolutely fake. Now imagine, why would anyone give you Nitro at lower price? Isn't that sus? If you want Nitro, just buy it from Discord. Third scam. Beware of these silly Nitro giveaways, they're dumb and useless. The way it works is, they would ask you to get 3 or 5 members in their server to get free Nitro. They could also use these fake Nitro bots to show you how legit they are. But please be careful, because they wouldn't just hack into your Discord account, but could also hack your front or webcam and watch you. This is specifically to all the 13 to 15-year-old kids who are susceptible to this, they get targeted easily. Fourth scam, the QR code. Yes, I have absolutely no clue how people fall for this. Discord never asks for QR code to buy Nitro. Please don't do it, otherwise you will be hacked. Fifth scam, don't accept DMs from random strangers. They would share a link asking you to claim the Nitro, and voila, your account, bank account and webcam would be hacked, and then they would get your photos, videos, and try to blackmail you. So please kids, stay away from the problems, and touch the damn grass instead. Sixth scam. Remember? Some websites ask you to do tasks like watch videos or do surveys and generate points to get Discord Nitro. Well, it's a scam too. You wouldn't get any Nitro. But if you want Nitro with the safest ways, watch my video, it received almost 2K views, the link will be in the description. Also before we leave, I want to give a quick shout out to my Discord server staff who helped me put together this video. And if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button.